Imagine stumbling upon a place where cities are older than time itself, and a sea has just up and vanished. That's Uzbekistan for you, a land brimming with tales that could fill books. Did you know it's home to Samarkand, a city that's been kicking since 700 BC? And here's a bet for you. By the end of this video, there's one fact about this place that'll have your jaw on the floor. We're diving into 15 mind-blowing things about Uzbekistan, and I promise, the last one is a real shocker. Stick around, hit like if you find something new, and let's get this journey started. 15. You've heard of cities with history, but have you walked the streets where every corner tells a story stretching back to 700 BC? Welcome to Samarkand and Bukhara, places not just old but ancient, alive, and kicking. These cities were the heart of the Silk Road, where traders from distant lands exchanged more than just goods. They swapped stories, cultures, and a bit of their souls. Picture walking the same paths as ancient traders under the shadow of Registan Square, feeling the pulse of centuries under your feet. It's not just a trip, it's time travel. 14. Now, let's talk about a vanishing act that's hard to believe. The Aral Sea, once the fourth largest lake in the world, has almost disappeared. Imagine a bustling port city waking up to find the sea had packed up and left. Ships stranded in sand, like a modern-day ghost town. This isn't a scene from a movie. It happened in Uzbekistan. The story of the Aral Sea is a stark reminder of the power of human impact on nature. Stick around, because there's more to this tale, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. And hey, if you're as intrigued as I am, smash that like button, and let's keep the surprises coming. 13. Ever think a loaf of bread could be a national treasure? In Uzbekistan, it's just that. We're not talking about your average supermarket loaf. Uzbek bread, or non, is baked in clay ovens and comes with a history as rich as its taste. It's so revered that flipping it upside down is considered bad luck. This bread ties people together, served with pride and care at every meal. It's a simple thing, bread. But here, it symbolizes the warmth and hospitality that's at the heart of Uzbek culture. Next time you bite into a piece of bread, think of the stories it could tell if it were from Uzbekistan. 12. Jumping from ancient traditions to Soviet-era splendor, let's zip underground. Tashkent's metro isn't just a way to get around, it's an underground art gallery. Each station is a canvas, showcasing themes from space exploration to Islamic art, making every commute an unexpected journey through beauty and history. While most cities' metros are purely functional, Tashkent's is a celebration, a reminder that art and daily life are intertwined. Imagine catching your train surrounded by masterpieces that tell the tale of a nation's dreams and heritage. In Uzbekistan, even the subway tells a story worth hearing. So, what's next on this journey? Stick around, because the surprises are just getting started. 11. Now, let's talk smiles. But not just any smiles. We're diving into the world of gold teeth, a glittering status symbol in Uzbekistan. Yes, you heard right. A flash of gold in your grin could mean you're quite the catch. This tradition, steeped in history, isn't just for show. It's a deep-rooted expression of wealth and status. From weddings to everyday street encounters, spotting those golden smiles is a reminder of the unique blend of culture and personal expression that thrives in this fascinating part of the world. It's more than dental work. It's wearable art, a testament to enduring traditions in the modern age. 10. Imagine a celebration so vibrant, it lights up the night sky and warms the soul. Welcome to Navruz, Uzbekistan's herald of spring, a festival where fire symbolizes life, renewal, and the purging of past woes. As communities gather to leap over bonfires, share meals, and dance to the rhythm of the new season, you're witnessing a tradition as old as time itself, a testament to the human spirit's resilience and joy. This isn't just a party, it's a renewal of life, an embrace of a new beginning, and everyone's invited to join in the warmth. 9. Buckle up for a journey to Nukus, a city that played its cards so close to its chest, it became the keeper of one of the Soviet Union's most astonishing secrets, an art collection so controversial it was hidden away from the world. Here, in the middle of nowhere, Igor Savitsky dared to preserve what many couldn't, a treasure trove of avant-garde art, banned under Stalin's regime. This museum, a defiance of censorship, is a window into the souls of artists who dared to dream differently. It's a story of courage, of culture preserved, and of a secret city that opened its doors to the world's art lovers. 7. Tucked away in Uzbekistan is a site that draws the faithful from all corners, the Hazrat Heiser Mosque. What makes it so special? It's said to house a single hair of the Prophet Muhammad, a relic of profound spiritual significance. Imagine the devotion it inspires, drawing pilgrims seeking a connection to their faith's roots. This mosque isn't just a building, it's a bridge to the past, a place where the spiritual and earthly meet. It's a testament to Uzbekistan's rich tapestry of religious traditions, where history is alive, and every stone tells a story of faith and devotion. 6. Ever heard of Uzbekistan's Grand Canyon? Welcome to the Charin Canyon, a marvel of nature's artistry. With its towering rock formations and unique ecosystem, it's like stepping into another world. This isn't just a canyon, it's a testament to the Earth's power and beauty, sculpted over millennia. As you wander through this Valley of Castles, you're walking through chapters of the planet's history. Each rock formation, a fortress in nature's kingdom. It's places like these that remind us of the world's wonders, urging us to explore and preserve these natural treasures. 5. Imagine standing where history was made, on the very roads that connected the East and West. Uzbekistan sits at the heart of the ancient Silk Road, a crossroads of cultures, trade, and ideas. Cities like Samarkand and Bukhara are living museums where the air hums with the whispers of traders, scholars, and adventurers who passed through centuries ago. These aren't just cities, they're chapters in human history, places where the past is palpable, and every alley and market tells a story of exchange, innovation, and connection. It's here, in the hustle of bazaars and the silence of ancient mosques, that the Silk Road's legacy lives on, a reminder of how our histories are intertwined and richer for it. 4. Let's talk about a comeback story, the kind that shows what resilience really looks like. The Uzbek language, a tapestry of history and identity, has weathered the storms of shifting empires and changing scripts, from Arabic to Latin to Cyrillic and back to Latin again. Each script change was a chapter in Uzbekistan's story, a battle to preserve a cultural heartbeat amidst the whirlwinds of colonization and globalization. This isn't just about alphabet changes, it's about holding on to who you are, no matter the pressure to conform. Today, the return to Latin script is a nod to national heritage, a declaration of identity, and a testament to the enduring spirit of the Uzbek people. 3. Next up, a mystery that feels like it's straight out of ancient texts, the Zoroastrian Towers of Silence. In the remote reaches of Uzbekistan, these sites served as a final resting place, not in the earth, but in the open air, where the dead were left to the elements and the watchful eyes of carrion birds. It's a practice that might seem eerie to some, but there's a profound beauty and respect in this ritual, a deep connection to nature and the cycle of life. These towers offer a rare glimpse into a faith that predates many of the world's major religions, highlighting Uzbekistan's role as a keeper of ancient traditions. 2. Imagine a city so steeped in history that it feels like stepping into another era. Khiva is that city, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that once was closed off to the outside world. With its perfectly preserved Islamic architecture and the imposing Kuna art, Khiva tells stories of a time when it was a bustling hub on the Silk Road, even a key market in the slave trade. Today, its silent streets and towering walls offer a peaceful contrast to its tumultuous past, a tribute to the power of preservation and the peace that can be found in honoring history. 1. Ending on a sweeter note, let's dive into a tale of biodiversity that's as delicious as it sounds. Uzbekistan's melons. With a variety that's unrivaled, some of these melons can't be found anywhere else in the world. They're not just a treat, they're a cultural icon, celebrated with festivals and cherished in every household. This love affair with melons goes beyond taste. It's about preserving a heritage, a slice of genetic diversity that's as rare as it is vital. In a world where such treasures are increasingly rare, Uzbekistan's melons are a reminder of the richness of our planet, a call to protect and cherish these flavors before they're lost to time. Diving into Uzbekistan's stories, we've seen its beauty, history, and culture, from ancient cities and silent deserts to traditions that weave the fabric of today. If this journey amazed you, hit like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget the bell icon to stay on this adventure with us. Got a favorite moment or a shocker? Comment below, and let's keep the conversation going. Your next discovery is just a video away.